Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by installing and updating the Spotify app on your Android phone today. Verify your phone runs Android 6, 0 or higher for Android Auto compatibility. Use a high-quality USB-C cable for the most reliable connection. Alternatively, enable wireless Android Auto if your car supports it and your phone allows wireless projection. Open the Android Auto app and grant media, phone, and location permissions to both apps. Restart the phone if prompts do not appear after granting permissions. Keep your phone unlocked when first connecting to establish the link. Plug your phone into the car's USB-C port or activate wireless Android Auto in settings. Wait for the car display to show the Android Auto home screen and open Spotify. If Spotify does not appear, choose it from the apps menu on the car screen. Use steering wheel media buttons or the touchscreen for play, pause, and skip actions while driving. Say, "Hey Google, play me Discover Weekly in Spotify to start music hands-free without touching the screen." Adjust volume with car controls to keep focus on driving and safety. If Spotify fails to connect, update both the Android Auto and Spotify apps immediately. Clear the Spotify app cache from settings to resolve playback stalls or missing album art. Confirm your car firmware is current if wireless projection drops repeatedly during drives. Download frequently played playlists for offline listening when you expect weak cellular reception. Remember, Spotify allows up to 10,000 downloaded songs across your account devices for offline use. Enable media audio on your car Bluetooth profile for calls and music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.